Hi guys, up until recently I had a Nikon D5600 which I thought was pretty good. I was out filming the other day and Mother Nature decided that she wanted to pull a stunt. So she grabbed my tripod and threw it over and smashed my camera. That's what I tell everybody, but I think I just must have had it positioned wrong. But anyway, got a new camera today. Hopefully it's going to make some YouTube videos as well. I just thought I'd go through the unboxing. It seems to be the popular thing on Facebook nowadays and YouTube and places like that, social media. So anyway, let's give it a go. This is a Nikon D5600. I don't think it's a new camera. I think it's about 12, 18 months old, but we'll see how we go. This has got a couple of extra bits in it, things that I'm just not really familiar with, but we will work it out. So if you guys could just let me know what's going on, that'd be great. All right, well, you'd think opening a box would be easy, wouldn't you? Alrighty. I actually brought one of these the other day. It was a display model, but unfortunately when I got it home there was no charger, so I had to take it back and wait for a new one. Oh look, this is definitely new. Everything is factory sealed. This is great. This one comes with a few lenses, 2 lenses I think, which are clip on. Comes with a spare battery and theoretically a battery charger. I say theoretically because as I said the other one didn't have one. When I went back to the shop they couldn't find it. So they offered to give me a brand spanking new one. I wasn't going to knock that back. Anyhow, what is this? This looks like the battery box perhaps. Yep. Definitely, what a tiny little battery that is. Wow, rechargeable lithium ion EN-EL14A. All right, I wonder how much time we'll get out of that. Anyway, let's have a look and see what's in this box. This looks like a camera kit, so this might be just the first of the lenses. Obviously it has to come with a lens. My old one didn't come with a lens of any sort other than just what it was. I was pretty happy with it. It's just not cooperating, this box. Just be careful if you're playing with knives, guys. Oh lordy. It's hooked in around there. There you go, look at that. Alrighty, warranty paper, second battery, excellent. That's what I like. Warranty, empty packaging, presumably it's supposed to have a battery in it. What else have we got? Ah, battery charger. Oh Lord, wow, okay. It's better than I thought it would be. Nice. Plug it in the wall. Good, 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 good. Oops, shit. Just sit that on my lazy Susan. It's a lens, I'll get to the lens later. Let's have a look at the camera. Oh yeah, camera strap. Alrighty, excellent. That box seems to be empty now, so we'll sit that back the way it was. Alright. Might as well quickly open this one. Also factory sealed, which is great. The other one wasn't factory sealed, the one I said I got earlier. These are actually on special at the moment, these cameras, but I got a good deal. My cousin said that she thought about getting one, but the price put her off. So obviously I did well. Paperwork. Ooh, these people like paperwork, don't they? Rightio. Got the lens there. Put all the stuff back in there for now. Over there, you devil. Righty ho. Let's go. Camera, look at this. Roll up the sleeves. Inspect the camera. This one's actually quite good because the other one, this was exposed and I was unable to protect it, nothing to protect it. So every time you're walking around with it, hanging off you, it would rub on your zipper if you were wearing a zipper. This one, great, look at this. Flip it around, in, out, back. Do what you like with it, pop it anywhere. It's very good, I like it. All right, what else have we got? Looks like I can put a flash on this one. Nice. Now, battery goes in there, but there's no point putting a battery in there until I have it charged. The memory card goes in there as well. All right. Take that off there. Put one of the lenses on. Bit of an amateur at this sort of stuff, so I've not got any experience with lenses, so I don't know what they will mean. This one says 18 to 55mm, 1/3.5 to 5.6 G. Guess who's going to be playing on Google a little bit later on tonight. Okay, probably give me something to do whilst the battery charges. There you go. That's it. That's it. Nothing on the cap to stop it getting lost. Ooh, have to be careful with that. Alright, good stuff. Alright, so I've got two different lenses I need to sort out. What's this one? This one is a 70 to 300mm 1/4.5 to 6.3 G. So, obviously there's a bit of a difference. I guess time will tell. Alrighty. Hey, thanks for watching. No doubt soon you'll see some footage come out with this. Hopefully it's a bit better than the last camera I had, which, as I said, I was quite happy with. I was quite pleased with. Got me a few good subscribers. So yeah, I think last time I looked I was up to 293 perhaps. So looking forward to that 300 subscriber. Thanks for watching, guys. Chat later. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to put a strap on my camera. You can sit here and watch me struggle if you like. If it's not a real good video, I might just speed it up. This is an aftermarket one that I took off my old camera. I had the original one, but the original one kept coming undone and I nearly lost the camera a couple of times. So this one here I brought from a shop up in Ballarat, Victoria. May even have been Camera World, I'm honestly not sure now, but see how we go. I've never been very good at these, so enjoy the laugh. And go from there. The light's starting to get bad too, or is it just my eyes? I don't know. Anyway, we'll make it happen. Good, I was a bit worried this was going to be a bit thin for this, but it's going to be alright. Alright, do that for the time being. Alright, so what else has been going on? I hope you guys enjoy the videos that we make. I released one the other day that my wife and son had contributed to, which I thought was pretty good. Being human, I do make the odd mistake, which somebody pointed out to me, which was fantastic. I really appreciated that. I'm genuine too. It just shows that people are watching. So that's what it's all about, isn't it? We all get our YouTube channels up and running and try and share some of the things that we do. Alright. I've learned my lesson. I'm going to take my time and organise my tripod a little bit better in future to make sure that I don't lose this camera. This camera cost me more than the last one, so for obvious reasons I'm not interested in losing it. Lord, need some light. Hang on. Look at that. One we prepared earlier. What are you doing, buddy? Yeah, you. Because there is a good chance that I need your assistance. That does not want to cooperate. Let's try that a bit later on. That's strangely bizarre. That one went through straight away. I am baffled. Why, oh, why, oh, why? What is the difference? Are you busy, buddy? How intriguing is that? I've got it. Oh my lord. Wow. Did not want to party a moment ago. Simple things in life are often the best, aren't they? Won't need your help now, buddy. Thank you. Hear me? Don't need your help now, eh? Thank you. What happened there? Oh, there you go. Good to go, look at that. Right now, just need this. Goes in there. It's out of my old camera. It's interesting. Alright, maybe we'll put the card in there then. Good Lord. Nikon use a program called SnapBridge, which I've not had any problems with in the past. It means that I can do my videos out and about wherever, and then just as I'm driving home, just basically download them from my camera directly to my smartphone. If I want to be sitting at the doctor's or wherever, I can be editing my videos. Oftentimes I don't though. I just airdrop them straight to my Mac at home and edit them there. But anyway, I'm hoping it's going to be pretty easy to set up. See how we go. I won't be doing it right now though. My battery doesn't seem to have enough charge in it. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll hopefully see you all trackside. Cheers guys.